everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be trying something for the very first time. Lately I've been really inspired by Fully Raw Christina and her juices and her nut milks. I actually bought a Nama J1 juicer because of her video. This is going to be my second time using the Nama J1 juicer, and the reason why I did the J1 instead of the J2 is because the J1 model actually still does sorbets. I'm going to be making Brazilian nut milk. In here, I already have pre-soaked Brazilian nuts. They've been soaking for about 8 hours, and I got these at Trader Joe's. I just used the whole package. And then to soak this, you don't want to use just any water. You want to use filtered or spring or clean water. This is optional. I haven't seen a lot of people doing the ground cinnamon, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it just to add some flavor. And then I'm also going to add some vanilla. This is vanilla that I got from Trader Joe's. This is alcohol-free pure vanilla flavor. And then for every 1 cup of nuts, you want to have 2 cups of liquid or 2 cups of water. I'm really curious the way that Fully Raw Christina does it because she uses coconut milk, and we got the coconut milk from Costco because it's organic. It contains 100% coconut juice and it doesn't have added sugar. The next thing you're going to need is either a bowl or a blender container and then a strainer just so that it comes out velvety soft. Before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse and drain the soaking water. So because I have 2 cups of nuts, I'm gonna do 4 cups of liquid. Because for every 1 cup of nuts, you want 2 cups of liquid. Go ahead and pour that in there. I think this is from the young coconut because it's coming out pink. Oh my gosh, this is gonna make a lot of milk. We got 4 cups. There you go. I'm really excited to do this video because I haven't done YouTube in such a long time. I used to have a YouTube video where I was vlogging my life in Nebraska as a mother of twins, as a single mom, and then at that same time was also building a DIY channel where I was sharing with my audience. I was like veganizing normal foods because I was in Nebraska. It was hard to like have accessibility to vegan food, not like how it is today, but like 6 years ago. And so I'm really excited to be back into YouTube again and share with y'all new things that I've learned throughout the years. I have this alcohol-free vanilla flavor, and because I'm gonna dump this whole thing inside this juicer, I'm just gonna mix everything in here. 1 splash of vanilla. I don't know how much cinnamon. I'm just going to dash some cinnamon in there because when she did it in one of her videos, it looked really good. Okay. The juice is gonna come out from this container and then the pulp is gonna come out from the front. Babe, you wanna watch me? Babe? I guess you're my only audience today. Okay, here I go. I'm nervous. Probably should take this out. Oh my gosh. I'm doing it. You know, because the coconut is pink, is it gonna be pink Brazilian nut milk? I guess we will see. Ooh, do you see that? I'm so excited. My favorite part is coming right up. Well, as soon as this gets full, but man, I just get this weird satisfying sensation when they open up this container right here and then just everything just falls out. I can't believe I'm making my own nut milk, y'all. Babe, you have to see this. Are you on the phone? I mean, if you want your milk really creamy, then you would add less liquid. But if you want it really liquidy, like how I feel like how it comes out when you go to the store, then you do the 1:2 ratio. So before it gets really full, because I'm getting carried away, this is my favorite part. 3, 2, 1. I just love that. So cool. My 6-year-ago me, how old was I? But if the 6-year-ago me, when I first started really living like this healthy living lifestyle, she would be so proud because my juicing back then, because you know I was young, dumb, and broke, was a really old school KitchenAid. I put everything into a blender and it was so chunky, and I'm like, yes, this is green juicing, and it was just so chunky. And I think about it now, I'm like, wow, she'd be so proud right now because I feel like I deserve this Nama juicer so that my juicing or my nut milks can come out the way that it should. So it's not coming out pink, which is kind of cool. Kind of hoping it didn't come out pink. It's coming out this really creamy, milky color. Oh shoot. See? Here I am getting carried away again. Yeah. I like how it just crunch. I'm gonna turn it off. All right, so it actually filled one whole container, which is about 32 ounces, so 2 cups. Okay, remember that number. 2 cups of Brazilian nuts, 4 cups of liquid makes 32 ounces of milk. Good job. College sure paid off. The very last step before I can try this is, I'm just gonna strain it just so that it's nice and smooth. Just so that there's like no extra grits. Yep, which is actually from the cinnamon. I've been holding off buying milk because I wanted to make it myself. So it's been weeks. The kids haven't had cereal, but we haven't been making anything that requires milk because I was like, no, I want to make it myself. And so here I am. I can't believe I'm doing this. I just leveled up my healthy living lifestyle as of today. Okay. Oh shoot. And I'm also making a mess. This is a really awkward pouring position right here. And then in her video, in Fully Raw Christina, I get really, I chuckle. Cause she like lets it overflow and then she's like so like, oh my gosh. But she does it in every video. Like I'm pretty sure you know it's coming, but it's just satisfying to see. So I'm gonna just let it overflow. Cause as a mother, don't wanna waste your milk. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try this. This is my first time and
God, may it be just as good as what everybody's doing on YouTube, and that it really does taste good and then it's not bitter and blah.
okay. Wow. That is really good actually. It's super creamy. It's not gritty. If I did this 6 years ago in my really crappy blender, no offense to KitchenAid, but it's not made to juice, it would not be this creamy, it'd be chunky. I'm really proud of myself. Go you. I'm so proud of you. Yes. Give myself a big hug. I can't stop drinking. This is so delicious. Well, thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you for coming back to my very new YouTube channel where I talk about skin, food, and lifestyle. Let me know what else I should try next in the Nama J1 juicer because I'm on this journey with you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Babe, 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 I did it. I did it. Babe, 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 babe. I just feel my... I'm just excited.